Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading po ito for Libra, no? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Balik kasi hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. For personal reading, pwede mong gawin yan. Punta ka lang sa Facebook, search mo si Jing Tarot Trader. Okay? Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Okay? And, wait lang guys. Please do follow me on TikTok. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan. Share ako ng mga videos din dyan. Mga pampaswerte, etc. Please do check it out. Tsaka dyan ako nagla-live eh. Hindi nga lang pa ako makapag-live ngayon kasi medyo busy pa yung aking schedule. But anyway, this is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay. For Libra, please. For Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. What do we have here for Libra? Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Let's start for the sign of Libra. You do have here the Wheel of Fortune, Five of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Ayan, napakaganda. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. I feel like you're making changes sa sarili mo. Sa nakikita natin ngayon, pagdating sa mga toxic na tao or mga taong gustong umaway or kumakalaban sa'yo, nakikita natin na you're making changes. You're making changes na lang doon sa sarili mo. Parang hindi ka na masyadong humaharap sa kanila. Mas nagfo-focus ka na lang doon sa maybe your family or sa, with the Four of Pentacles, mga totoong taong nagpapahalaga sa'yo. Maybe for some of you, medyo nalulungkot ka kasi you feel like pagdating sa finances mo, medyo ang bilis maubos ng pera. Yung iba sa inyo may mga ganun eh. But for what I can see here, you are surrounded by friends, family, na parang nandyan sila, they support you. Alam nila yung nangyayari sa'yo, but kaya nga sila lagi nandyan lang. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may mga natututunan ka ngayon itong mga nakaraan. And may apply mo yan sa future sa'yo. Mas nagko-concentrate ka ngayon sa changes. Okay, so how about this person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Isin lang natin para magkasya yung cards. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Seven of Cups, the Chariot. Oh. Three of Cups. The Tower is at the bottom of the deck. The Moon. Oh, this is like a person in your dreams. You are dreaming about this person. And nakikita natin with the Seven of Cups. Sa inyong dalawa, siya yung mas nakikitaan natin ng abundance, money. I feel like this person has a lot of things to offer. Maybe kasi marami siyang sources of income. And ito yung nakakatulong para mas, lahat dun sa income niya na yon nagbabalik din ito ng pera sa kanya. So, financially, okay itong person na ito. I'm also seeing a person, we do have here the Chariot, could be dealing with a Cancer. Nakakita rin ako ng person na parang maiwas or mailag sa'yo, but this person wants reconciliation. May ending na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa ngayon. I feel like someone here could be stuck sa situation. And I feel like that is you, na parang hindi ka masaya dun sa situation na yon. You want changes. Kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, gusto mo ng pagbabago. Definitely, you're not happy. Okay? Maybe nalulungkot ka because sa inyong dalawa parang ikaw yung losing hope sa connection ninyo. I don't know. Clarify natin. Ano yung nafe-feel mo towards this person? Feelings and emotions mo towards sa kanya for the sign of Libra. Feelings and emotion mo towards sa person mo. You do have here the butterfly. Kisses. Not today is here. Love call. Lighting. You do love this person. Attracted ka sa kanya. But I feel like, yun nga, nagfo-focus ka sa mga transformation, sa mga changes na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. You do love this person, pero nakikita natin you are avoiding communication. Iniiwasan mo siyang pakikipag-communicate sa kanya. I feel like you are attracted sa person na ito. Like, hindi naman siya nagpapapansin sa'yo, pero napapansin mo talaga siya. Maybe sa kanyang ginagawa, na natural naman niyang ginagawa. I don't know, you're dealing with a person na mahal mo, pero for now, you are focusing on yourself. You're being the chaser here sa connection ninyo, pero hindi in a way na sa pakikipag-communicate. Kasi ikaw yung nakikita nating umiiwas sa communication. Pero sa inyo, ikaw yung nagiging chaser na parang hindi mo siya kayang mawala completely. Gusto mo lang nandyan siya. How about your person? Anong emotions niya sa isip niya for you, for the sign of Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. I feel like you are having epiphany. So, mga realizations sa connections ninyo. Na maybe na-realize mo that you love this person. You do have the Phoenix. Malaki na yung pinagbago ng person na to. I like this person's energy. Could be dealing with the past. Regarding sa mga emotions, regarding sa pag-iisip niya sa'yo, in the past, lagi kang paikot-ikot or pabalik-balik yung pag-iisip niya sa'yo. But with the Coffin, sa ngayon, nagfo-focus siya sa kanyang mga new beginnings. Pwedeng naka-heal or naka-okay na siya sa pain. Hindi na siya nasasaktan sa connection ninyo. Like, it takes time din naman with the clock kasi nag-heal siya or naging okay lang din siya. Maybe with the help of other person, might be a third party situation. So, sabihin na natin nakatulong yung third party para mawala yung obsession, addiction, or yung paulit-ulit na pag-iisip at emotion sa inyo itong person na ito. So what will happen in the near future here for the both of you? You do over the Empress. Oh, sorry, that's the Emperor. So, like what I've told you, napakagaganda ng card na lumalabas sa person mo, oh. The Emperor, the Judgment, the Star. You do over the Seven of Swords. Tell me more in the near future for Libra, the High Priestess, the Fool, Eight of Cups, and the Page of Wands. The Tower is at the bottom of the deck. Judgment, wow. Actually, magkasunod din eh. Oh. This is the Star. This is the Judgment. So, dito, magkasunod din yan sa person mo, which is the Star and the Judgment. In the near future, I can see you being spiritually developed. So, pwede ngayon nakafocus ka sa mga material na bagay. So, in the future, pwedeng more on spiritual. I can see you na naaayos mo yung problem mo with regard sa family or kung naman yung mga dapat mong ayusin. I can see you leaving something behind na maayos. Okay? I can see an ending of a situation sa'yo. Pero tatapusin mo yun ng maayos. Kumbaga, hindi siya magulo. Maybe a relationship or a connection, another connection na pwedeng mag-e-end siya ng maayos ang lahat. Maayos yung mga taong involved, family, etc. Okay? May separation dito in the future for you ng maayos. Nagigets mo yun? Maybe for some of you, if you are in another relationship, I can see possible ending or separation, pero it is because you are aiming na makuha itong the Star, which is this is your person. Sa inyong dalawa, yung person mo, we do have here the Emperor, magmumukhang parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, but in the near future, because yung person mo, aware siya sa connection. For some of you, this is reversal reading. So, ngayon, with the Seven of Swords, nandun na yung acceptance mula sa person na ito na, okay, kung wala ka sa buhay ko ngayon, or is sa future, o sige, okay lang. But I can see you walking away from a situation dahil maybe, eto, sa mga nare-realize mo, mahal mo pala tong taong to. And I can see you making this, the full energy, which is taking the risk sa connection mo with your person. Okay? And I can see a new beginning sa inyong dalawa in the near future. And with the Eight of Wands, this would like, this is like, some kind of surprise sa connection ninyo. Either you would surprise this person, magugulat na lang siya sa'yo sa actions mo. And, yeah, lalo na with the Fool, I can see you taking the risk talaga dito. For some of you, possible na pagta-travel. Reconciliation is what you really want. And you're doing this in the near future. Pero aalis ka or may mga aalisan ka na maayos mo naman itong maaalisan. Okay? So, what is the outcome for the sign of Libra? Yeah, we do have here the Empress, Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Wow. What is the outcome in the near future for the sign of Libra? You do have here at the bottom of the deck, Death card. Yeah. The Empress is here. So, wow. This is the Empress and the Empress. Temperance is here. You do have here the Six of Wands and the Six of Cups. This is a very balanced energy, by the way. At kung makikita mo, the Empress is the Empress. The moment that both of you, kasi yung person mo, minahal niya na yung sarili niya. The moment that both of you love yourself, no? Yung mga kanya-kanyang sarili ninyo. Halimbawa, siya, minahal niya yung sarili niya. Then, ikaw, the moment na minahal mo rin yung sarili mo, this is like a new beginning for the both of you. We do have here the death card. Pag may ending, which is the tower, kanina may ending, there's a new beginning, definitely. And with the temperance, maaaring ito na yung matagal mo lang hinihintay. And I can see victory sa connection na ito. With the Six of Cups, this is equal give and take sa connection. I can see pag-uusap with the Nine of Pentacles na magiging madali para sa person mo na ilabas lahat ng gusto niyang ilabas for you. I can see a deal. May deal sa inyong dalawa in the near future. And you have to be ready. Okay? The energy here is ikaw yung babalik. Okay? Wherein kasi nagkaroon ka ng mga realizations. Yung person mo naman is willing to accept yung pagbabalik mo. Willing siyang tanggapin ka. Yung iba sa inyo, reversal lang reading. Okay? And magugulat na lang yung person mo sa mga kung ano man yung mga gagawin mo. And I can see you coming back with an offer. And possible na itong offer na ito, might be for you, it's not enough. Pero for your person, it's okay. You are enough. Everything na kaya mong i-offer is also enough. Kasi kung halimbawa hindi ka enough, tapos siya hindi rin enough, pero pag pinag-combine mo, it's already enough. Yun yung nakukuha natin. And kung ano man yung mapapagkasunduan nyo dito, nakikita natin na mawo-work out at mawo-work out nyo ito. Okay, so thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.